Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Miller and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 24. Communication 1 Nervous and Sensory Systems. Let's start. All of the following are functions of the nervous system except communication, integration, coordination, movement. Correct answer: movement. The evolution of the nervous system in invertebrates has led to elaboration of organized nerve cords and centralization of responses in the dash portion of the animal. Posterior, lateral, ventral, anterior. Correct answer: anterior. Which of the following parts of a neuron contains a nucleus? Axon, dendrite, cell body, neurofibril node. Correct answer: cell body. The concentration of ions on the two sides of a nerve membrane is due primarily to the sodium-potassium ATPase pump, gated channels, open channels for ions, sodium pump. Correct answer: the sodium-potassium ATPase pump. A stimulus that is strong enough to initiate a nerve impulse is called the Ornan law. Threshold stimulus, refractory period, action potential. Correct answer: threshold stimulus. Conduction of an action potential along myelinated nerve fibers is known as saltatory conduction, Ornan law. Depolarization, repolarization. Correct answer: saltatory conduction. A neurotransmitter changes the dash in the plasma membrane of the receptive segment of the postsynaptic cell, creating an action potential in that cell. Depolarization potential, resting potential, refractory period, threshold potential. Correct answer: resting potential. The refractory period of a neuron is also known as the depolarization, repolarization, hyperpolarization, polarization. Correct answer: hyperpolarization. Which of the following has the most complex form of nervous system organization? Protozoa, hydras, jellyfishes, polychaetes. Correct answer: polychaetes. Which of the following characterize the evolution of the vertebrate nervous system? Bilateral symmetry, a notochord, a tubular nerve cord. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Which of the following is not part of the forebrain in a vertebrate? Cerebrum, thalamus, pineal gland, pons. Correct answer: pons. Which of the following is not part of the vertebrate hindbrain? Pons, cerebellum, cerebrum, medulla oblongata. Correct answer: cerebrum. How many pairs of cranial nerves are found in reptiles, birds, and mammals? 8, 10, 12, 14. Correct answer: 12. Which of the following is responsible for the fight or flight response? The parasympathetic nervous system, the motor nervous system, the sympathetic nervous system. All of the above. Correct answer: the sympathetic nervous system. The dash division of the autonomic nervous system consists of networks of neurons in the pancreas, gallbladder, and digestive tract and leads to controls peristaltic movements. Dendritic, enteric, ganglionic, motor. Correct answer: enteric. The functional unit of the nervous system is the nerve, brain, spinal cord, neuron. Correct answer: neuron. Which of the following is not a sensory nerve? Olfactory, hypoglossal, optic, vestibulocochlear. Correct answer: hypoglossal. Any form of energy an animal can detect with its receptors is called a receptor potential, stimulus, transducer, generator potential. Correct answer: stimulus. Which of the following receptors detects a change in pressure? Hygroreceptors, georeceptors, baroreceptors, chemoreceptors. Correct answer: baroreceptors. Statocysts, as found in various gastropods, cephalopods, and crustaceans, are a good example of a hygroreceptor, georeceptor, baroreceptor, chemoreceptor. Correct answer: georeceptor. True phonoreceptors that respond to sound have been demonstrated only in insects, arachnids, and centipedes, protozoa, hydra, and mollusks, tunicates, and arthropods. Vertebrates. Correct answer: insects, arachnids, and centipedes. Certain flagellated protozoa contain bright red photoreceptor granules called the ocellus, compound eye, stigma, ommatidium. Correct answer: stigma. Squid and octopuses have compound eyes, ocelli, complex camera eyes. All of the above. Correct answer complex camera eyes. Web-building spiders have dash that can sense struggling prey in webs through vibrations of the web threads. Proprioceptors, tactile receptors, georeceptors, thermoreceptors. Correct answer tactile receptors. A mechanoreceptor would respond to all of the following except sight, sound, touch, muscular contractions. Correct answer sight. The tympanum first evolved in mollusks, amphibians, fishes, vertebrates. Correct answer vertebrates. How many divisions are present in the human ear? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer 3. Pain receptors are also called vomeronasal organs, organs of Ruffini, Pacinian corpuscles, nociceptors. Correct answer nociceptors. Jacobson's organs function in the detection of sound, detection of pressure, detection of odors, detection of electrical currents. Correct answer detection of odors. The process of focusing light rays precisely on the retina is called processing, fixation, accommodation. All of the above. Correct answer accommodation. Which of the following pigments is involved in the production of a generator potential with respect to light? Hemoglobin, hemerodopsin, rhodopsin, myoglobin. Correct answer rhodopsin. Taste buds are found on the skin in dash and dash. Fishes and amphibians, mammals and amphibians, birds and reptiles, reptiles and fishes. Correct answer fishes and amphibians. Which of the following taste bud classes is strongly stimulated by the amino acid glutamate? Sweet, sour, umami, bitter. Correct answer umami.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.